There is a bird in the garage. Look at the bird.
Mom, let me see it. Let me see it.
Hold on, make him fly so I can see him. Are you gonna go up close? Here. Here. You're not scared. So I'm not scared of you. Get a good shot. You got a good shot of him?
Mm-hmm.
There's a bird in here. Oh my goodness, I spread my wings. Let you see my wings.
I think that's a baby eagle.
I spread my wings and try to scare you. You see him good? I can't see him good in the video.
I can. Maybe because you're far back.
No. Mm-hmm.
Kayla.
What about the light? Is there a light? Oh, that doesn't.
Kayla. There's a bird in here, Kayla.
Do you see the little bird? Mm-hmm. Okay, here. You don't see the bird sitting out there? Mm-hmm. See right there. On the garage door. I don't want Preston out here. Is it?
Kayla, come on. Just come in. It's really right there.
Alright, back up.
He actually carried me that time.
When he moved.
Yeah.
How much more does he love you?
1,000.
He provides for the sparrows.
Open it, Ma?
Yeah. Fly, fly away, little bird. Ow! 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 He came in. Move.
Yes, he did! Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Oh, he do. What's that, Preston? The bird done came. I done let the bird in the house.
Move, Preston.
Did you take the trash out?
I can't, Mom. It's too cold. Move.
Go take the trash out.
It's too cold.
Go take the trash out.
It's too cold out there.
Look at me. Silly me. I done let the bird in the house. Get Preston. Preston like, man, what's that? Preston like, bro. Woo! Woo, he flying. Lord God. Get him, Preston. Get him out of there, Preston. Lord. I done let the bird in the house. Did you wash your hands?
The bird over there. Because it's blowing the house.
Man, look, leave it alone.
Get me. Turn the light on, okay? You just want to grab him, he gonna peck you.
That's a baby. That's a baby. I know, little dude. I know.
Oh, you just grabbed him. Oh, Jalen, don't crush him. Look at Preston. Don't crush him. Get Preston.
It really is a baby.
It is. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
you know the birds that make that. Ooh, 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 that's what it is.
It's a dove.
Yeah, a morning dove.
Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh.
Yeah, you squeezing up now. All right, Preston, get off me. I can't focus. Shit. Away from me. You can't get.
Jason, I can't focus. Take him out of the back though. Before you poop or something.
It's cold.
Jalen got the bird.
You put on a jacket. Jay. Look at what you're wearing.
Preston.
Let me see, Jay.
Get Preston, Joe. Grab Preston.
Come here, little boy.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't trade your clothes.
It's a baby bird.
He's a little
Where'd
baby.
y'all find it at?
He was in the garage. Am I still behind? Let him in the house.
Well, you was on the phone, the garage?
No, he was on the door, the garage door. When I let the garage door open, I was looking, and he flew right in the house.
He probably got stuck up there or something like that trying to fly out of his nest.
He can fly.
You see how small he is? Look at his.
Oh, close that.
The reason I say he a baby because look at his feathers. What's that little dude?
Oh, he's like, please don't eat me. Oh, he's so tiny.
You see that
What?
on his belly?
Oh.
There's nothing wrong. It's just they don't just develop all of their feathers when they're babies.
Can I
Okay.
pet it?
He
Can I
can
pet it?
fly, but
Can I pet it?
he's still not strong enough to.
Can I pet it? Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Sure, he was flying in there.
For real.
Yeah,
Like
he
they have them. They just don't have all their feathers and strength. Yeah. I got you, little dude. I got you. I got you.
Wow, you just picked him up.
I was
He
going
ain't even trying to bite you. Woo. Bye, honey. Oh my goodness. He was like, man, that was close. Is he gonna fly?
He's not. That's the reason I'm saying. I don't know if he's a baby. Letting him out here just kill him. That's what I'm saying. He's most likely.
He on the other side of the fence. See that black cat? Them little feet.
Yeah, the way you move, that's what's important.
I don't know. Should we get a bird cage? But I don't want him to die.
Yeah.
You see how much he's flying around? He's too strong. If a bird had, if a cat had got to him like after, that's different.
Don't hurt his wing.
No,
Oh, let me see him.
just making sure you're able
I'm
to fly.
recording y'all.
Oh.
Oh, he's so pretty.
He look. Oh my god.
I'm trying to hold him as soft.
Birds don't like, yeah.
Wind blows soft on Rasta skin. Peace inside, no need to win. Smoke rise, I soul feel like heartbeat calm, no need to fight. Oh, Jah, rude boy, stay true. Roots rock steady, sky so blue. Raga, raga, one love crew. Blessings fall like morning dew. Barefoot walk on earth so warm. Nature guide, protect from harm. No rush time, no heavy chain. Sun above cools all pain.